In today's video, I'm going to teach you enter time in Microsoft Bookings. By the end, you'll know how to set precise working hours for individual staff members and define your overall business hours so customers only see the times you actually want to offer. Start by opening the Microsoft Bookings homepage in your browser. Once you're in, choose the booking page you want to manage. If you have more than one page, pick the one that corresponds to the team or service you're updating. This ensures the changes you make apply to the right public page your customers use to book. Next, go to the staff section. Select the staff member whose availability you want to control and open their details. Choose Edit Staff to bring up the settings for that person. Under Working Hours, uncheck Use Business Hours. This is the key step that lets you customize this person's schedule independently of your general business hours. If you leave it checked, they'll inherit whatever you set at the business level. Now set specific start and end times for each day they work. Be as accurate as possible. If your region uses a 24-hour clock, confirm you're entering the correct times. If the person has breaks during the day, click the plus button to add multiple time windows. For example, you can set a morning block, a break, and then an afternoon block. Keep your windows clean and non-overlapping to avoid any scheduling conflicts. When you're done, click Save. This applies their personal availability to your booking page and ensures the system only offers times they can actually take appointments. With staff hours set, it's time to define your company-wide schedule. Open business information, then choose business hours. These hours act as the default framework for your organization and the baseline for anyone who uses business hours. Enter the start and end times for each day your business is open. If a day is closed, simply leave it without times. Aim to reflect your normal operating pattern here, such as weekdays open and weekends closed, so it aligns with what customers expect to see. Finally, click Save. Your business hours are now updated, and bookings will only surface appointment slots where both the business is open and the selected staff member is available. A quick recap: staff working hours control each person's availability, while business hours define your organization's open times. Unchecking Use Business Hours on a staff record gives you fine-grained control. Always click Save after changes, and consider consistency with your calendar time zone to prevent mismatched slots. That's it. Your time settings in Microsoft Bookings are now set up accurately and ready for customers.